Stop playing with him. Jadavinci and his bitch. Okay. I'm so bad I got him twerking with me and his
So today I'm gonna be giving myself Fulani braids for the very first time. This is the color braids we're going for today. Oh! Hair that we'll be using. So I'm gonna start off by parting my hair in half because the back half I'm gonna do individuals. He says hi guys. Look, we're hair twins. Okay, so now I'm just doing basic individuals. I do have a detailed box braids tutorial. It's going to be linked in the card and a description. That one's like for straight up beginners. If you really don't know how to do box braids, you should definitely pause this video, go head over to there. But if you already know how to do box braids, then you're going to literally do box braids. But yeah, I'm going to just braid them all the way down. Here I am. I'm just taking my time. What I do to one side, I do to the other, and that's how I kept it consistent. Take your time, do it right. You can do it, baby. You got it. But yeah, that's really all that I did. I just took my time. I used some edge wax. I don't remember the kind that I used, but I'll link it in the description. But yeah, and I did feed-in braids. This was my first time ever trying feed-in braids, and I just want you guys to know that you can do it. Just try it. Like, take some time. This took me 6 hours to do on myself. I thought it was pretty good, and I love the way it turned out. People are like, oh my gosh, it's so professional, and I'm like, thanks. So yeah, here I am. This is like the final last two that I had left, and I am just so amazed. So if you want to see more braid tutorials, just let me know in the comment sections below, because I'm just having such a field date. I can't believe it. I mean, I could believe it because I knew I could do it. So if I can do it, then you can do it. Yeah, I'm just here to encourage you. I know that you got this. We got this. And yeah, you guys can just keep on checking it out. And then at the end, I dip my hair in hot water. And yeah, keep enjoying. Down, 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 down. They're even cute, like low ponytail vibe. I don't know how we did this. If I didn't record it, it would be, I wouldn't know. This one, we got her looking like goddamn big. But yeah, you guys get the gist.